case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a significant decision, the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit declared a contentious regulation related to non-immigrant alien students constitutional. The regulation in question, 214.5, required Iranian students to report their residency status and adhere to stringent guidelines for maintaining their non-immigrant standing. Triggered by the Iranian government's hostile seizure of the U.S. Embassy in Tehran and the subsequent hostage situation involving U.S. citizens, this case was a crucial intersection of immigration law and foreign policy. The Iranian students took issue with the regulation and challenged it in the district court, claiming it violated their constitutional rights by unfairly distinguishing based on nationality. Contradicting this view, the district court initially deemed the regulation unconstitutional. However, it was the Attorney General who appealed the decision, believing it fell within their legal mandate, as set out by the Immigration and Nationality Act, to enforce such regulations and maintain national security. Upon review, the Court of Appeals overturned the district court's ruling. It asserted the legitimacy of Regulation 214.5, stating that as long as a regulation issued under the Immigration and Nationality Act has a rational basis and directly aligns with the Attorney General's duties, it is constitutional, regardless of the nationality classification. By reversing the district court's judgment, dismissing the students' complaints, and ruling in favor of the defendants, the Court of Appeals established a significant precedent. It embedded the idea that policies targeting aliens relate to foreign relations and war power, thus falling under the constitutional authority of political branches and largely immune from judicial intervention.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class